How to test a microphone on Windows 11. In this video, we'll show you how to check if your microphone is working properly and how to troubleshoot any issues you may encounter. So let's get started. First, let's make sure that your microphone is set up correctly. To do this, click on the Start menu and select Settings. Then click on the Sound option from System section. Then under the Input section, make sure that your microphone is selected as the default input device. Now that we have checked the settings, let's test the microphone. In the same sound settings page, click on the microphone on the Input section. Click on the Start Test button and speak into your microphone. You should see the blue bar moving as you speak, indicating that your microphone is picking up sound. Click Stop Test, then a result will appear of microphone's performance. That's it. We hope this tutorial was helpful in showing you how to test a microphone on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Tutorial River channel for more videos.